Pocket Welder Helper here. Let's run through 10 ASME Section 9 practice questions to sharpen your certification prep. Question 1. Under ASME Section 9, tensile test acceptance requires the specimen to A. Break only in the weld metal, B. Fracture in the base metal at no less than the minimum specified tensile strength of the base metal, C. Achieve a tensile strength of at least 70,000 psi regardless of base metal specification, or D. Not fracture at all and plastically deform without breaking. Question 2. Under ASME IX, weld overlay procedure qualification for corrosion-resistant cladding requires what additional testing beyond standard groove weld qualification? A. None. Standard groove weld qualification covers overlay. B. Chemical analysis of the overlay deposit to verify the corrosion-resistant alloy composition meets minimum requirements. C. Radiographic testing of the full overlay area, or D. Hardness testing only. Question 3. F numbers in ASME Section 9 are used to group A. Base metals, B. Filler metals, C. Flux types, or D. Shielding gases. Question 4. Under ASME IX, QW452, qualifying a groove weld on 3/4-inch thick plate, qualifies production welding on base metal from A. 3/4 inch only, B. 3/8 inch to 1.5 inches, C. 3/16 inch to unlimited, or D. 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches. Question 5. Under ASME Section 9, a welder's qualification remains valid unless A. The welder changes employers, B. The welder has not welded with the process for more than 6 months, or there is specific reason to question their ability, C. The welder changes job sites, or D. The WPS is revised. Question 6. Under ASME IX, Part QB, brazing differs from welding in that the filler metal, A, has a higher melting point than the base metal, B, melts below the solidus of the base metal and is drawn into the joint by capillary action, C, uses the same classification system as small electrodes, or D, requires the same P-number grouping as welding. Question 7. Under ASME IX, a change in position from flat to overhead for a welder qualified only in the flat position requires A. No action. Flat qualification covers all positions. B. A new WPS only. C. Requalification in the new position. Or D. Documentation only with no physical testing. Question 8. Under ASME IX, what is the minimum pipe OD for which a 6G qualification test covers the full diameter range? A. Any OD, since 6G always covers all diameters. B. 2 7/8 inch OD, where qualifying on pipe at or above that size covers all diameters 2 7/8 and up. C. 4-inch OD, or D. 6-inch OD. Question 9. The A number in ASME Section 9 is used to classify A. Base metal alloy groups, B. Filler metal usability, C. Chemical composition of the deposited weld metal, or D. Welder qualification positions. Question 10. Titanium and titanium alloys are assigned which P number group under ASME IX: A. P1, B. P8, C. P51 through P53, or D. P41. Download Pocket Welder Helper free on iOS and Android and get access to hundreds more practice questions to keep your certification prep on track.